Today, the crew and I are exploring a hidden Caribbean gem you probably never heard of, the tiny island of St. Eustatius. After sailing north from Guadeloupe with a quick stop in St. Kitts and Nevis, we dropped anchor on this often overlooked island in search of something different. Instead of the usual tourist activities, we wanted to connect with the local culture in a more meaningful way. So we set out to find a local restaurant and ask if someone would teach us how to cook traditional Caribbean food. That simple idea led us to a charming spot called Ocean View Terrace, and an experience we will never forget.
She smells so good.
We have arrived in St. Eustatius, and we were hoping to find someone that could teach us how to cook a local meal. So now we're at this restaurant and annoying the owner. And the owner is from the Netherlands, because this is a Dutch island. And his wife is from here. And he said that she could potentially teach us. So we should go chat with her. She cooked our meals today. So, hello! You're the famous wife. We heard so much about you. Yeah. We would really want to learn how to cook some local food. But he said we should talk to you because you're the local.
Maybe if you come this evening or morning.
Yeah? What about this evening? Would that work as well?
This evening.
Yeah, what time?
We open at 6:30.
6:30.
Yeah.
Can we try to cook something?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, exciting.
If you come this evening, once it's not busy,
Yeah?
yeah, which I hope also to be busy. But
No,
I am
hopefully
busy.
it's busy.
But at least you can stand in the kitchen with me also,
Okay.
and then I'll show you what to do.
Cool.
Yeah?
That's amazing. Thank you so
Good.
much.
All right. no
Really
problem.
appreciate it. What's your name?
My name is Loris.
Loris.
Yeah, Lauris.
Loris. I'm Mara.
This is my counselor.
Ah, your counselor.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet
So
you.
I'm a social worker.
All right. Perfect. Should we bring something?
Yeah.
See you at 6:30.
And with our cooking lesson scheduled, we went for a quick stroll around town.
What a touristic spot full of tourists. There's no one in this town anywhere. Nice view. Tammy. Ha! Hello. Hello. So beautiful. Hi, ducky. I think it's so interesting, this island. It's like flat and then there's like this huge, and then there's a fortress.
No, but this one is. These ones are better because they're redder.
Oh, the red one?
The redder ones.
Okay. I can go this way. Wait. Okay, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh!
Okay, I got it.
Ow!
One mango.
Okay.
Two mangoes. Okay. Wait more. There's more. Go to the front. What? I can't do it. Okay, go down.
Where?
I'm outside. We have to go back. Okay, I'm here. We got some mangoes. Yay!
After exploring the town for a bit, we headed back to the boat to get ready for our cooking lessons.
We are all soaking wet, headed to the restaurant to cook for the night. We are the chefs of the restaurants. But let's go.
Let's go.
We are here. We are here. We are here. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you very much. We're the staff for the evening.
Sorry?
We're the staff for the evening.
So,
He's showing off his new six-pack.
yeah.
You're ready?
I will be
Tammy is ready.
in a second. Let's go. This is the kitchen.
Shower hands.
Should we put our
These are the small grills I use inside here to do my cooking. It's not a big kitchen.
We were thinking maybe if you want to do something for us to try, like something local from here that's
You want
very,
to
very
eat some
special.
goat?
Goat.
Yes.
Yeah?
Hi.
Renee, Can you bring me like 5 goats, please? The goat meat.
5 big goats alive. We're gonna kill them right here.
Okay, I snatch it. Here you have peppers. You have the celery. Then you have the thyme.
I cut celery.
Peel it and peel it. Not good. Peel it in there. Now what happened is I cook with feeling because I know already.
Yes, of course. Let's go.
And then you leave it simmer. So the last 2 pieces of celery, I will use to that. Then I do the onion. Sometimes I want to have a little bit more extra flavors on peppers. Like this piece of red pepper. I use a lot of garlic.
Time to stop.
I take this. And get it in our style. And then you have to taste, yeah?
Okay.
This is beef seasoning. So I'm going to add a little bit of beef seasoning into it to flavor. You can add a little bit more if you want.
Smelling really good.
Yeah? There you go.
Hot,
Look.
but good.
Is it salt enough? Is it tasty enough for you?
She thinks it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the flavor you want to have.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know. I never tried goat. I don't know what it tastes to be, but it tastes good.
It is salt enough for you? You taste it? You have taste
I haven't, but I trust them.
Okay. So now it's ready. You feel that it's good enough for you. No more salt, no more nothing. Okay, then you turn the stove off. Okay?
Can I have some space?
Let's put the tables here together again.
Oh, look at that.
We can put only one table. We just put a nicer chair. Yeah.
Okay.
We made goat.
Wow. That's amazing.
Okay, everybody get a goat.
Cheers!
It's nice.
I like it.
We did this.
The flavor.
It's good.
And we did this really good.
Do you like it, Doc?
Yeah, pretty good. For goat.
To be honest, I did not expect that we're gonna manage to find anybody to accept this to teach us how to cook, but here we are in a nice local restaurant and we were able to learn from a local lady how to make this delicious food, and yeah, it was awesome. So to be honest, I did not expect that, but I'm so glad that people are so kind. What did you learn, Doc?
I learned that everything has bones in it.
Thank you so much for inspiring us.
Yes.
You're amazing. Thank you so
I
much.
have to be.
She's so nice.
Make sure whatever you do, you put your hand inside. Because if you don't put your hand inside, you don't get that flavor. Wash your hands when you want. But anything you do, make sure your hands are inside. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's cooking or whatever it is, decorating, whatever it is. As long as you put your hand inside, you're going to enjoy it.
That's Right
The
there.
magic is the hand, the touch of the hands.
It's around.
Yep. Okay. Thank you all for coming. It was nice meeting you all, and I wish you on a bon voyage back here.
She smells so good.
After an amazing night cooking with Loris, it was back to the boat for bedtime, because tomorrow will be a full day of exploring St. Eustatius.
It is a new day here in Statia, and we are gonna hike the volcano and go scuba diving, and who knows, maybe we'll do some yoga. It is a full scheduled day of activities, that is for sure. It's 5:30 and we are starting our morning hike in the sunrise soon. Thank you to Tammy for her interpretive dancing. Good morning! Welcome to Quills! Thank you very much! It starts!
It starts now.
Let it begin!
We are here. Such a beautiful hike. I loved it. It was amazing.
After Masinga.
After a beautiful hike up Mount Mazinga, we headed back down to sea level for some scuba diving.
Ready to scuba dive.